Battery is not the right one, but that's the battery that was in the bike. It's been charged, it's got enough power there, so I can actually test the lights to make sure the globes are okay. Usually just by, for instance, you see the light
Excellent.
working there. So that says the globe is okay. And then that means it also needs to have a wire, power wire on here. And this then is the earth wire. It's a matter of finding where that earth wire goes and what particular clip you need to put on the end of it. As we connect the different wires, then there'll be less wires that we have to work out. So as we find a wire that works, that's why we need the battery. I'll connect that battery to a temporary setup. We need wires, so we need the lighting circuit, and so I'll get the lighting circuit working by connecting it and the switch. This is the switch arrangement here, so the switch fits in here. There's a 5-position switch, and I'll be able to work this and have the lights. Now once I have the lights working, then the lights wires will be okay. So there's a lot less wires there that then runs back to the engine. So the number of them are wires that come from the engine to say the fan is broken, or maybe to say the engine's getting hot, or just power to the coil to get the spark. It's those sort of things. To say you've got an idiot light, to say that you're in neutral gear. Those wires come from behind where the engine is, and they go right underneath and come out up here. And they have mating wires already in underneath here.
Yeah.
So we don't need that bit. Yes, this is, normally you'd have that as one wire, and I can see why they do that. If they're making 57,000 of the same bike, you make that piece and you make it easier, but this is a good way to fix it up like this. Like I'll put on the battery before I actually tie them together.